Good afternoon, ladies and gents. It's live from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4. Now, today I've got for you a stunning 2017 Mark 7.5 VW Golf R, the 2-litre, 310 horsepower. So this is pre-2018, where the emissions control meant that they had to put in extra was it an extra restriction in the exhaust, I think, to reduce the emissions, but obviously that affected performance and put it back down to 295. So this is pre that, but it's still a 7.5 facelift. It's in the best colour, black. The best options, it's got the 19-inch black gloss black pretorias, you've got the gloss black R branded calipers, full privacy glass, one owner car. You don't want a car of this ilk, any performance car really, to have 4 or 5 owners in the first 2 or 3 years, because it just means it's been ragged by every Tom, Dick and Harry. This chap was a amateur detailer, did a bit of detailing as well, and meticulously kept his Golf in the best condition. So it's stunning. It's got full LED lights front and back. What an absolute beast of a Golf. Now, we always sell these quite quickly. They're always really popular. We only get ones with good specs on them. We don't buy any which are just bog standard. You've got the tailgate here. Now this one's got the Dynaaudio Sound system. You've got the subwoofer there. You've got the toolkit there, the locking wheel nut, everything that should be there, jack, etc. Dynaaudio, well worth having, because it gives a much better interior sound than the standard Golf system. So really desirable option that people look for. If we look in the back, you've got the sort of textured trim here, the half Alcantara and fabric seats. Don't think anyone's really sat in the back by the looks of it. And then the backlit plates here, stainless steel entry plates. You've got the same on the door cards here as well. Backlit in blue, and then that trim there as well. R branding, of course, embroidered onto the Alcantara. Some of the options this car's got: reverse camera. It's got the essential dynamic chassis control. Don't buy a Golf R without dynamic chassis control. The reason being is the ride is just too hard. With the dynamic, you can soften the dampers considerably and still have the exhaust and everything else on race sound, so you get the full race experience, but it's still soft, and you can put the steering on the race setting as well, and the engine, etc. All the alloys are unmarked, all excellent tyres, power folding mirrors, of course, LED lights. Stunning car. I love Golf Rs. They're just all the car you need. They do everything well, and literally you can have that and nothing else, because you can get your family in it, but you can still drive it and enjoy it when you're by yourself. Got that lovely R steering wheel trimmed in leather with white cross stitching. I'll show you the engine bay. Like I said, you've still got a year's warranty on this car as well with VW. We offer nationwide delivery and finance, of course. So if you want a finance option, whether that be a balloon or a straightforward hire purchase, just let us know. We'll put together a really competitive package for you. We can have the car trailered to you for £2 a mile on an enclosed trailer, or driven to you for £1 a mile. Power folding heated wing mirrors there, stainless steel pedals, automatic lights, full digital dash. I've left one of the doors open. Now you can, of course, oops, that button there, sorry, wrong one. You can, of course, display the navigation in where is it, on this screen as well as the main screen. You've got all these systems there, navigation, there we go. How do I get the map? I can never remember how to do these things. You'll have to excuse me. I think maybe I have to put it on here first. So nav, map. Is that how we do it? Or is it? I'll display the map in it. There we go. And then if you press OK, then you can see the map in the whole screen. Done just under 30,000 miles at 29,580, all by the one owner. You've of course got heated seats, dual zone climate control. Now, like I said, your your dynamic chassis control, you can see it's there because it's got the race individual settings. And then if you do the individual, you can obviously then mess about with things like your suspension, steering, drive, adaptive cruise control, cornering lights, aircon, engine sound. So that's great. Really worthwhile option looking for. You've got keyless entry, exit and start as well on this, which is great to have. And then of course you've got reverse camera, if we'll just put that on as well. Again, another great option to have on the Golf. It's a great media system, the Discover navigation. It's very user friendly, very responsive to touch. A lot of the other manufacturers could learn a lot from it, to be fair. What else have you got? So settings there, you can mess about with everything from your dynamic cornering lights to automatic headlight control in rain, interior lighting, footwell lighting. I mean, there's just everything that you can do with all your driver assistance systems there, adaptive cruise control, front assist, driver alert, etc. So yeah, a lot of stuff you can play with. Yeah, your storage compartments there with your USB and auxiliary port. Auto hold, of course, on the handbrake, and your handbrake is there. Cup holders, storage. That of course slides as well, does that armrest, so you can sit forward if you're short. Steering wheel adjust. And that is pretty much it, ladies and gents. Obviously a lovely frameless rear view mirror and sunglasses holder. So it's a hell of a car. Great options, got everything you want on it, well looked after, maintained, full VW service history. So it's been properly looked after. Once for nothing. All the details are in the ad. If you need anything else, just obviously give us a shout. And that's our Golf R, ladies and gents. Look forward to taking your calls or emails on it. And hopefully this one will go to you. Speak soon. Take care. Good night.